lakini hawaajiriwi. Jana they released some strange statistics that the economy is growing by 5.something%. Hiyo uchumi imeongezeka kwa mfuko yako kweli? Wanasema ati uchumi ya Kenya has grown sababu watu fulani wale mabwenyenye wa majenga manyumba huko Runda. Kujenga manyumba hapa Runda haiongezi ugali kwa meza yako. Kweli masiwongo? That has nothing to do with the ordinary Kenyans, even in Kibera ama Mathare ama Chepalungu. We are unable. The new constitution said we want a country that will assure a decent living for every one of us. Are we all living decently? This is not a country for the rich alone. We are all entitled to a dignified life in this country. And that is why in Chama cha Mashinani we believe we must devolve resources properly. We must devolve. And every decision must go through public participation. The counties have been trying to do public participation, but national government has no idea what public participation is all about. We continue getting degrees from people like Matiang'i until they will no longer register primary schools or secondary schools. Watoto wetu waende wapi? We want our children to go to the nearby day school in the villages. But Matiang'i sitting in Nairobi will tell us he can no longer register schools. Waliongea na nani akaamua hakuna kuregister schools? Nyinyi mumepewa mabarua kutoza. Watoto wanaendelea kuarrive. Halafu Matiang'i hana habari.